Now we're gonna get to the seasoning. We're making a Chipotle bowl.
Yeah, Chipotle burrito bowl.
We're making a Chipotle burrito bowl. I already added.
You have the Chipotle seasoning if you want to make some. Right here.
I already added the browning to the meat, and it's already washed. If you're wondering, just to make sure. All those chicken police out there. And so now we're gonna start by adding
some
black pepper.
Black pepper. Right there.
Then we're gonna add some Maggi seasoning. Next we're gonna add some Maggi chicken seasoning.
Yeah, Maggi chicken seasoning.
This one hasn't been opened yet.
Special recipe.
You keep this in the garbage.
Yeah.
Smells good.
I'll mush this up, okay?
Next, we're gonna add some onion powder.
Okay.
Yes,
I'll mix it up. Okay?
we'll both.
Okay.
Next, some garlic powder.
And do you have anything else? Do you have some onion powder?
Then we'll start mixing. Go on, you just need one hand.
Okay. Oh, this feels so weird.
Make sure you get it everywhere.
Should we leave it to marinate?
No, I think it's good.
No marination. Makes it taste better when it's marinated.
Yeah, but we're trying to make a Chipotle bowl.
Yeah. If it was just me, you have to do it with 2 hands, right? Okay, make sure it's all good in there. After this, we should change out gloves, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just going here.
Sure the seasoning is everywhere.
Make sure that seasoning is everywhere. Oh, we found some insides. Make sure it's all.
If you're wondering what I washed the meat with, I washed it with some vinegar and water. Make it sure. Put up your sleeve.
Look at me and explain what you're gonna do next.
So now we're about to add the chicken breast to the pot. I put it on medium heat and 5. And add a little bit of oil because the chicken makes its own oil.
Next up, we have the peppers.
No, not yet.
Oh, okay. Let it all cook. All cook for a little.
So they don't want to turn up the stove while they're
I don't want it to burn.
You want it to burn?
I don't want it to burn. Yeah, I don't want it to burn. We'll basically cook for a few minutes.
Some delicious siblings. Three, two, one, go.
Okay, time to turn the chicken around.
now while I'm in there, so.
We're flipping over all the chicken now. So now we're just making sure the meat is fully, like almost fully cooked through before I add the chipotle bowl seasoning.
Yes.
It's about time to add the chipotle seasoning. Is it recording?
Ready? Yeah.
Recording? You can help me. Now we're about to add the chipotle seasoning. Make sure it goes everywhere.
Like everything else.
Yeah, put everything. Then we're gonna add a little water. It should be good. A little bit more. That's all.
Calm down the oil.
Mix it up.
Okay.
Stir up the fire some more. You see somebody chicken them and look at it enough.
Yeah.
Make sure so you cook it down. Yeah, it's fine. That's fine. It's fine. I put a little while. But the part of the cover it when you steam it down.
You have to add the seasoning first.
Mix that up.
If you want to add one, can explain, okay?
Yeah, so basically I'm just coating the chicken with the chipotle seasoning. It's a little bit too high.
Okay. It's supposed to look brown, by the way.
Yeah. Will you get me the rice?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Right.
A little bit more water.
Everything you do, you gotta explain it. Add a little more water in it. You know what? I feel like this needs a little bit more water.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna cover it down and let it steam down for a little.
Yeah, we're gonna
Now
cover it down
and let it steam down
for a little bit. So yeah. And while that's going, we're getting ready to add the peppers now.
Alright, talk to them and let them know what you're gonna do.
So now
we're
that
gonna pour in
it's
the
cooked down
peppers.
for a little bit, we're gonna
Put it
add
on the peppers.
So let's see.
Open, put that down over here. You don't need that over there. Let me go on this side. Come over here on this side.
Now we're gonna add the peppers.
Shoot it up. And then we're gonna mix it in.
It's all mixed in. Put it with all those nice chipotle sauce and let it cook down.
So right here, you're gonna let it steam down.
Yes. Now,
Hey, go that way. Go that way. You need to listen and focus.
now, come over here.
Alright, what you gonna do right now?
Now we're gonna open it up and check if the
You gotta look at the people and talk to them when you're
check on the peppers. As they're cooking.
Hey, why you opening the door over here, boy?
I don't know.
Hey, you wanna leave? Close the door.
Now we're gonna let it cook down. Turn the pot now. Turn it off now. Gonna explain what we're doing now.
We are gonna sell.
Where you're dropping everything.
So where should I put it now?
The spoon?
Yeah, because I was putting it up in there.
Leave the spoon in the pot because you need it to share out the thing.
Oh. No. So that's it. We're gonna explain what's going on now. So wanna open it?
Yeah, it's finished now.
That looks good.
Oh my god.
We'll turn it off now. Looks nice and ready.
Yeah, and you can also use a bowl or a plate to share it out,
For this,
depending
we're
what you
gonna be
like.
Using this bowl as we go to make the plate the food. Oh yes. Oh yeah, I almost forgot about
I
them.
almost forgot about that. But I reminded Michaela about them.
Remember, you gotta take up the stuff and explain. So now everything is right here. And I said, okay, this is my rice, this is my this is my this.
Xander, I'll do
When you
the.
explain them, I would try and remember.
No, we're using them to cover the mess up later. You need to learn how to be a little bit more patient. You're very rough.
All right, ready.
So
We have everything down here.
yes, cucumber,
And lettuce,
Remember, you're talking to the camera.
lettuce,
plantain, onion,
purple onions,
and then
purple onions,
yeah. Then we have
tomatoes,
tomatoes, and then beans.
some beans. Yeah. Oh, and the chicken.
You don't have to move it already.
So now we're gonna start with the chicken.
Yes.
As a
Chicken
base.
as the base plate. You want it covered?
The rice is your base.
Yeah.
Rice. Oh, and almost forgot the cilantro rice. Adding the chicken.
You can cover it up with the chicken if you want. And then add the rest. And then you can, if you want. You can mix it up if you want.
Next, we're gonna add the plantain.
Oh my god, don't forget.
Yes, the beans.
And no, in the middle, the thing goes.
Together. Oh, almost forgot the sauce. We made some sauce using the same Chipotle seasoning we used for the chicken.
Not too much. Put it at one side. Put it in the second.
Add the tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Right here.
Tomatoes. Tomatoes. Tomatoes.
And then cucumbers. Purple onions.
Yeah, also the purple onions.
And then wanna add wanna put the beans on the side?
Yeah, the bean. Oh, the cucumbers. I almost forgot. Let's
How are we gonna put in the beans?
beans first. Nice and flaming hot.
Flaming hot. Just flaming hot Cheetos. 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 There you go. Now you guys can see the middle is open and we're gonna put the cucumbers. Yeah,
and the sauce.
Yeah, then the sauce.
Oh, and the cheese. I almost
Actually,
forgot.
put the sauce on the side of the chicken with the cucumber. It's laying over the plantain.
Right here?
No.
Right here. Oh, right here.
Where the peppers going over the plantain on the side.
Right here.
Move it.
Add the
It wasn't really
sauce.
like here, but it's. Alright, there you go.
All done. All done. Just clean out the bowl a little bit. Get some textures. And then it's time for the taste test.
So we gotta take a piece of
Clean up real fast.
Watch your arm in that bowl. What do you do?
Yeah.
No? Take a piece of chicken. I don't know.
Yeah. This is the final results.
Pick it up and put it in front of you.
This is the final results.
So this is my final result.
This is our final result. This is a super quick recipe.